Alright guys, welcome back. Stop paying for Adobe PDF tools. I'm about to show you a free PDF editor that works offline, protects your privacy, and does almost anything Adobe Acrobat can do. Welcome to KinspireTech, where we fix, learn, and build tech solutions for everyday people. If you work with PDF files, this will save you a lot of money and stress. Many people work with Adobe Acrobat because they think there is no better option, but the truth is it's quite expensive and many free alternatives upload your files to servers, but that means your private document leaves your computer. That's actually privacy leak. But what changed everything for me is a tool called Bento PDF. The best part, it works inside your computer browser and completely offline. Your files never leave your computer. No email, no login, no cloud upload. Now here's the Bento PDF where you can see no sign up, no upload, free forever, no trials, no limit as much of what you can do. You can process unlimited PDFs on the go, lightning fast, and you can see the popular tools here. So we go into all tools. You can see it has PDF multi-tool, it has merge PDF files, split pages, compress big files, add watermark. You can see a lot of tools, add watermark. You can see also how where you can edit the text, add bookmark, even run OCR. You can see it run convert from PDF from page JPEG to PDF, from PNG to PDF. You can see it has a lot of tools. It has OCR. Yeah, you can also add signatures, merge. We have a lot of tools here. You want to compress, to resize, to share. So these are all the tools that the PDF has, Bento PDF, and everything works locally on your computer. So if you need it, you just click on home and click start now, and you can see start using it immediately. It works on your browser even without internet, so you can perform anything you want to do right there. What do you think? If you're a student, teacher, office worker, business owner, or a freelancer, these two can completely replace Adobe Acrobat for you. I've tested many free editors, and Bento PDF is the one and the only one I've seen that gives you privacy, power, plus zero cost in one package. If this video helped you, why don't you like the video and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what other software you want me to replace for free. Thank you, and see you in the next video.